Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add old stories to Instagram highlights. The first thing we will do is open the Instagram app and enter our profile. If we want to highlight a story that we have recently uploaded, click on our user to see the stories. We place ourselves on the one we want to highlight, and at the bottom we can click on Highlight. After that, we can add it to an existing featured category or create a new one. If we go back to our profile, we will see the history and the featured category created. If we want to highlight a past story, we must go to the archive. To do this, from your profile, click on the top drop-down menu and click on Archive. Here, search for the story you want and click on it. You will see that the lower highlight option appears just as before. Click on it and choose the featured category where you want to add it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In your profile, you can see all the stories that you have highlighted. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.